Hey gearheads, let's talk about cars, specifically 11 vehicles you should consider buying in 2025. Whether you're someone who geeks out over the latest features or a first-time buyer overwhelmed with choices, we've got you covered. We're breaking this down into sedans, SUVs, hybrids, and even a truck, so there's something here for everyone. Plus, we'll throw in a few comparisons to help you figure out what fits your needs best. So let's get started. Number 1. 2025 Honda Accord. Let's kick things off with a name that's practically a legend, the 2025 Honda Accord. Honda continues to refine this midsize sedan, making it a go-to choice for anyone who values reliability, practicality, and now, a touch of modern flair. Under the hood, the Accord offers two engine options, a 192 horsepower 1.5-liter turbocharged engine or a 204 horsepower hybrid powertrain that's designed to save you cash at the pump. The hybrid model boasts an impressive 48 mpg combined, so if you're a frequent commuter, this could be a game changer. The interior feels upscale, especially with the redesigned dash and that huge 11.5-inch touchscreen, which supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Starting at $29,390, the Accord offers great value. Compared to its rival, the Toyota Camry, the Accord leans more towards tech and efficiency, while the Camry brings more power and sportiness. Which one you might pick might just come down to your personal preference. Number 2. Let's talk about the 2025 Toyota Camry. Speaking of the Toyota Camry, it's no surprise this car makes the list. Toyota hasn't rested on its laurels with this one. They've given the 2025 Camry a refreshed design that's bold yet elegant. You can choose between a 203 horsepower 2.5-liter engine or the performance-oriented 3.5-liter V6 that cranks out a solid 301 horsepower. For anyone who likes their sedans with a bit of muscle, the V6 trim is where it's at. Plus, Toyota's legendary reliability means this car will be with you for the long haul, easily crossing the 200,000-mile mark with routine maintenance. Starting at $29,535, the Camry undercuts the Honda Accord price by a hair. But here's the trade-off. The Accord's hybrid trims are slightly more fuel efficient. So if you're more of a set-it-and-forget-it type, the Camry's reliability is hard to beat. Number 3. 2025 Hyundai Sonata. Now let's switch gears and talk about the 2025 Hyundai Sonata. If you're after a sedan with standout looks, this one's a head-turner. Hyundai's gone bold with its design, sporting that signature light bar up front and a sleek coupe-like roofline. It screams modern without feeling over the top. Under the hood, you've got options. A 1.6-liter turbocharged engine making 180 horsepower or a hybrid setup that delivers a whopping 52 mpgs combined. That's perfect for drivers who rack up miles but don't want to compromise on style. Inside, it's a tech lover's dream. A 12.3-inch touchscreen, a fully digital driver display, and even a remote smart parking assist make this car feel like it belongs in 2030. Pricing starts at $27,800, and while it's slightly more affordable than the Accord and Camry, its long-term reliability still has some catching up to do. But if you're a fan of cutting-edge design and features, the Sonata deserves your attention. Number 4. 2025 Kia K5. Hyundai's sibling, the Kia K5, brings a sportier vibe to the midsize sedan category. If you like the Sonata's tech but want something a bit more aggressive in style, the K5 might be your match. The base model comes with a 180 horsepower engine, but the standout here is the 290 horsepower 2.5-liter turbocharged engine in the GT trim. That's enough to make every on-ramp feel like a mini racetrack. And the ride? It's sporty yet comfortable, perfect for anyone who wants a little adrenaline with their daily commute. Inside, the K5 impresses with features like ventilated front seats, a panoramic sunroof, and a 10.3-inch infotainment screen with wireless Apple CarPlay. Pricing starts at $28,145, but there is a catch. Unlike the Sonata, the K5 doesn't have a hybrid option. So while it wins on performance, it might not be the go-to choice for fuel-conscious buyers. Number 5. 2025 Ford F-150. Switching lanes to pickups, let's dive into the 2025 Ford F-150. Whether you're a contractor hauling gear or an outdoor enthusiast heading off-road, the F-150's been America's top-selling truck for a reason. The engine lineup is as diverse as it gets, from the base 2.7-liter turbocharged V6 to the beefy 5.0-liter V8. And let's not forget the F-150 Lightning, which takes things fully electric with a range of over 300 miles. With the Pro Power on board, you can even run tools or power up a campsite directly from your truck. Starting at $39,345, the F-150 offers tech, capability, and versatility in spades. And while it faces competition from the likes of the Chevy Silverado, the F-150's innovative features and consistent reliability make it tough to beat. Number 6. 2025 Chevrolet Suburban. Let's move to the full-size SUV category, starting with the iconic 2025 Chevrolet Suburban. This isn't just an SUV, it's practically a rolling house on wheels. With seating for up to 9 passengers, it's perfect for large families, road trip enthusiasts, or anyone who values space above all else. Under the hood, the Suburban offers 3 engine choices: a 5.3-liter V8 with 355 horsepower, a 6.2-liter V8 churning out 420 horsepower, and a 3.0-liter Duramax turbo diesel for those prioritizing towing and fuel efficiency. Speaking of towing, this beast can haul up to 8,300 pounds, making it ideal for RVs, boats, or heavy trailers. Inside, Chevy's pulled out all the stops. A massive 15-inch infotainment system, premium leather upholstery, and up to 144.7 cubic feet of cargo space make it as luxurious as it is practical. Starting at $63,495, it's pricier than most on this list, but the sheer size and capability make it unmatched in its class. If you're comparing it to the Ford Expedition, the Suburban has the edge on towing, but the Expedition wins slightly on tech integration. Number 7. 2025 Ford Expedition. Speaking of the Ford Expedition, it's the Suburban's biggest rival and definitely holds its own. The Expedition takes a more modern approach to the full-size SUV, with a focus on advanced tech and a smooth driving experience. Powering this beast is a 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 that delivers 400 horsepower and up to 9,300 pounds of towing capacity. Yes, it outtows the Suburban by a mile. And for the adventurers, the Timberline trim adds off-road capabilities with features like skid plates, trail control, and beefed-up tires. Step inside and you're greeted by a spacious, family-friendly cabin with options for captain's chairs in the second row. The 15.5-inch vertical touchscreen, the same one found in the Mustang Mach-E, adds a futuristic vibe. Pricing starts at $63,695, slightly undercutting the Suburban, but both offer stellar value depending on whether you prioritize towing or interior room. Number 8. 2025 Mazda 3. Now let's pivot to a car that's smaller in size but big in personality, the 2025 Mazda 3. Available in both sedan and hatchback forms, the Mazda 3 delivers a blend of sporty handling, upscale design, and impressive efficiency. Power comes from a 2.5-liter inline-4 engine with up to 250 horsepower in the turbocharged trims. Paired with Mazda's exceptional chassis tuning, this car feels nimble and fun to drive, whether you are navigating city streets or carving up winding back roads. And for those living in colder climates, the optional all-wheel drive provides extra peace of mind. Inside, Mazda punches above its weight. The minimalist interior is wrapped in premium materials, and the infotainment system, though smaller at 8.8 inches, integrates smoothly into the dashboard. Starting at $25,135, the Mazda 3 competes with cars like the Honda Civic, but it leans more towards luxury and driver engagement rather than pure practicality. Number 9. 2025 Subaru Legacy. If safety and all-weather capability are at the top of your list, the 2025 Subaru Legacy is a car you can't ignore. Subaru's signature symmetrical all-wheel drive comes standard, making this midsize sedan a fantastic option for areas with unpredictable weather. The Legacy's engine lineup includes a 2.5-liter flat-4 with 182 horsepower and an available 260 horsepower turbocharged engine for those craving a little extra punch. It's not the fastest in its class, but its stability and comfort make it a great long-distance cruiser. Inside, the 11.6-inch portrait-style touchscreen stands out, offering intuitive controls and seamless connectivity. Starting at $26,065, the Legacy undercuts rivals like the Camry and Accord, while offering all-wheel drive as standard, a feature that's usually a pricey add-on in other midsize sedans. Number 10. 2025 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. Now let's jump into the hybrid SUV territory with the 2025 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. This compact SUV blends Toyota's renowned reliability with excellent fuel efficiency, making it a favorite among eco-conscious buyers. The hybrid powertrain pairs a 2.5-liter engine with electric motors, delivering 219 horsepower and an impressive 40 miles per gallon combined. For a vehicle of this size, that's a game changer, especially for urban drivers looking to save on fuel costs without sacrificing practicality. Inside, the RAV4 Hybrid offers a well-designed cabin with features like a 10.5-inch infotainment screen, a panoramic sunroof, and optional soft-tack seating. Pricing starts at $33,295, putting it slightly above non-hybrid competitors like the Honda CR-V, but the fuel savings can easily offset the initial cost over time. Number 11. 2025 Kia K4. Finally, we have the 2025 Kia K4, a relative newcomer in the compact car market, but one that's quickly making waves. Think of the K4 as the slightly smaller sibling of the K5, offering the same sleek design and premium features in a more budget-friendly package. Under the hood, you'll find a 1.6-liter turbocharged engine with 180 horsepower, making it peppy enough for city driving while remaining fuel-efficient with 36 mpgs combined. The K4 also comes packed with tech, including a 10.3-inch touchscreen, wireless charging, and advanced driver assist features. Starting at $23,145, it's one of the most affordable options on this list, but don't let the price fool you. It holds its own against pricier competitors like the Mazda 3. If you are looking for an entry-level sedan with a premium vibe, the K4 is a fantastic choice. And there you have it. 11 cars to consider buying in 2025, each bringing something unique to the table. Whether you're after a sporty sedan, a capable SUV, or a fuel-efficient hybrid, this list has you covered. The key is figuring out what matters most to you: performance, reliability, tech, or budget, and then finding which car that checks those boxes. So, which one's your favorite? Let us know in the comments below, and if you like midsize pickup trucks, watch this next video, comparing the Chevy Colorado and the GMC Canyon AT4X.